I let 2 entry-level Roborock robot vacuums take over my floors so you don't waste your Black Friday budget. If you're buying your first robot vacuum this year and you're stuck between the Roborock Q7L5 Plus and the Q7M5, this video will make that decision very, very easy. This video is sponsored by Roborock UK, and I've been testing the Q7L5 Plus with its auto empty dock and the Q7M5 as the more compact, budget-friendly option in my actual home, carpets, hard floors, pet hair, multi-floors, the lot. By the end of this video, you'll know 1, which one fits your home and lifestyle, and 2, what actually matters behind flashy specs, and 3, how to make the most of the Black Friday offer window from November the 13th to December the 1st. If you've never owned a robot vacuum, you're probably thinking, will it actually clean properly? Is it going to tangle with hair? Is the app too complicated? And do I really need an auto empty dock? So I set these up as if I just bought one for the very first time, out of the box, mapped my home and ran them daily. Very quickly, the Q7L5 Plus is your hands-free choice. You get strong suction, PreciSense LiDAR navigation and dual anti-tangle system and the auto empty dock, so you're only emptying the bag roughly every few weeks instead of after every run. The Q7M5 is your lightweight, high suction option, up to 10,000 PA hyperforce suction, dual anti-tangle, LiDAR, full app control and no dock, which keeps the price lower while still feeling premium. Both are designed so that a first-time buyer can set it, forget it, and have consistently clean floors. Specs are nice, but does it actually pick stuff up? So I ran both through 3 simple tests: crumbs and cereal on a hard floor, fine dust, and embedded dirt on a carpet. Both handled the everyday mess easily. On carpet, they pull a proper clean line. And on hard floors, you don't end up chasing crumbs. If you've got thicker rugs or more stubborn dirt, that extra punch on the Q7M5 is a nice safety net. If you want a more fire and forget experience, the Q7L5 Plus still delivers plenty of power for day-to-day cleaning. If you've got long hair or pets, this matters more than suction numbers. I dropped strands of hair and some pet hair, let both vacuum them up, then checked the brush. Thanks to the dual anti-tangle system, both rollers stayed impressively clear. So you spend less time cutting hair off the brush and more time ignoring vacuuming completely. Next, navigation. Now this is where cheap robots usually fail. Both use PreciSense LiDAR navigation, so they scan, build a map and then follow proper straight line paths instead of pinballing around. I added no-go zones around cat bowls and side tables, and they respected these no-go areas. For For a first robot vacuum, this is the difference between cool gadget and I'm sending it back. The app is actually where a lot of the value is. You can schedule cleans, set room by room cleaning, adjust suction and water flow per room if mopping, drop no-go zones and no mop zones, and importantly, manage multi-floor cleaning. If you've got upstairs and downstairs, with both models you can create multi-floor maps in the app. Just move the robot to another floor, start a run, and it will recognise and switch to the correct map automatically once it's learned your layout. The Q7M5 is especially great here because it's lightweight and easy to carry between floors, so you can treat it like one robot for the whole house. For a first timer, that means no buying two robots, no remapping nightmare. Just pick it up, drop it, hit start. Now, this is where the Q7L5 Plus pulls ahead for convenience. When it finishes a clean, it returns to the dock and empties itself into the dust bag. So instead of emptying a bin every day or two, you're emptying a bag every few weeks, depending on your home.
Emptying dustbin.
If you hate dealing with dust, have allergies, or just want the most hands-off experience, the L5 Plus is going to feel worth the extra investment. With the Q7M5, you're emptying the onboard bin manually. It takes seconds, but it is on you. A few quick things to be aware of. The auto-empty dock on the L5 Plus is louder for a few seconds when it empties.
Emptying dustbin.
You'll want a bit of wall space for the dock. And first time mapping takes time, so give it a full run before judging it. And like any robot vacuum, cables and loose socks are still the enemy. Make sure to use no-go zones or tidy them up. None of these were deal breakers, but they're worth knowing before you hit buy now. So which is the best first robot vacuum for you? Choose the Roborock Q7L5 Plus if you want that auto-empty dock convenience, you like the idea of genuinely hands-off cleaning, you'd rather interact with the app than the dustbin, and choose the Roborock Q7M5 if you want max suction for the money, you're happy to empty the bin yourself, you like the flexibility of a lighter robot, you can move between floors easily. Either way, for a first robot vacuum, both tick the important boxes: reliable navigation, strong cleaning, anti-tangle brushes, app control and multi-floor support without feeling like a gamble. If you're watching this between November 13 and December 1st, check out the Roborock Black Friday offers linked below for the Q7L5 Plus and Q7M5 on Amazon UK. Big thanks to Roborock UK for sponsoring this video and letting me put these through real-world use. If you've got questions about either model, drop them in the comments. Hit like if this video helped, subscribe for more honest tests and setup reviews.